Okay, got a plunger. Nope. That was a dumb idea. Okay.
Lunchroom. Lunchroom. Lunchroom.
Hello and welcome back to the Lunchroom. My name is Ryan.
And I'm Daniel.
Today's challenge looks a little bit different. Today what we're doing is we're seeing who out of the two of us can be or is the loudest. And here's how it works. Daniel and I, we are going to go to Walmart. I have downloaded a decibel reader on my phone. If you don't know, decibel measures sound, specifically volume. Normal conversation is about 60 decibels. A vacuum cleaner is about 75 decibels. A motorbike is 95 to 100 decibels. A loud school dance would be like 101 to 105 decibels. A chainsaw would be about 115 decibels. A rock concert would be 120 to 129 decibels. And a gunshot would be about 140. Daniel and I, we are going to see in like 10 minutes, out of the two of us, who can make the loudest noise in Walmart. The rules are very simple. Basically, you can't use your mouth. So you can't just go in Walmart and shout something. Whoever makes the loudest noise in the 10 minutes that they have wins. Today we are playing for a 15-second winner's circle. The winner of today's lunchroom gets to use that 15 seconds however they'd like to share with whoever is watching.
All right, we're here at Walmart and we're ready to do the challenge. We've got 10 minutes to be the loudest that we could be. We're gonna get kicked out. It's gonna be so bad. Here we go. Let's go.
A few moments later.
Okay, I'm walking into Walmart now. Well, I don't like talking in public.
Oh my goodness, I'm actually like pretty nervous. I don't know, like it's gonna be kind of quiet in there and I'm worried about people looking at me, I guess. I don't know. Also, I super need to pee and 10 minutes isn't a lot of time. Okay, let's talk strategy. I was thinking about this. One thing that I think will be noisy is the air dryer in the bathroom. It's pretty frowned upon to film in bathrooms, so we'll see what that's like. And then a horn, a bike horn. If I can find a bike horn, that would be awesome. I have no idea what Daniel's doing.
I have a game plan. I think I'm gonna make my way to the bicycle bells / horns. I think those are gonna be pretty loud. Here we go.
Let's go.
I feel like I already have security tailing me.
I don't know where to hold my phone. Like, this is awkward. This is weird. Let's go to bikes. Bikes.
I'm like pretending to shop. Heading to the sporting equipment now.
Should I run? I'm worried about time. Okay. Looking for things that are noisy. Muffins. Nope, not noisy.
This is a really quiet Walmart, so any loud noise is gonna be really obnoxious.
Should I close this barbecue? You think that would be loud? I'll try. That wasn't bad.
Maybe this'll be loud? That was pretty loud.
Got some time. Let's go check out toys and games. Okay, toys and games. Well, tools. Tools could be helpful. What if I just like get a hammer and hit things with it?
That was really good.
Okay, got a plunger. Nope. That was a dumb idea. Okay.
Maybe this'll be loud. That was pretty good.
What am I doing? Toys, games. Got anything that makes... Oh, this one makes noises. Oh, it's got a volume set to loudest. No, that's not doing it for me. Stop.
I'm just surprised I haven't been kicked out yet. Looking sketchy.
Well, this isn't a bad idea. I was wrong. That was a bad idea.
I can't find the bike bells. There's the bikes. Where are they? I found them. Okay, that wasn't as loud as I thought.
What if oh, this could be good. Okay, I got these pans. I'm gonna hit one pan with another pan. I don't think I got a new high score, but it was kind of loud. Nope. This is the worst. The bathroom's closed. Closed for cleaning.
I actually need deodorant, so I'm gonna pick some of that up now.
Clothing is not loud. What am I doing? Oh, what about like a shoe slap? That would be good. 3, 2, 1.
That had a spongy bottom, and that was not very loud.
Bike horn. Any of these bikes have horns on them. Bike horn. Ah, no bike horn. Excuse me, do you guys have bike horns?
Yeah. You know, all the bike sessions are over there.
Down there?
Yeah.
On the right? Yeah. Thanks. What a helpful guy. Oh, yeah. That was so loud. Got this. That was a really good noise. Okay, time's up. That's it for me.
All right, I'm back outside. My time is up, but I'm feeling really good about my performance. That little girl horn that goes on a bike, that was so loud. Why do you need it? Why does it need to be that loud?
All things considered, happy with the performance. Really happy about the bike horn. Really excited about that. I don't know. I see Daniel now. Let's find out. We are back. We finished our 10 minutes in Walmart. It was nerve-wracking.
I was terrified.
I scared a kid. I like made a noise, and the kid in another aisle was like. We don't know each other's largest. I know mine, and you know yours.
I'll say
wanna
mine
go
first. Yeah.
Oh man!
I had 119 on the dot.
My goodness! That's so. What did you do?
I honked this little kid horn.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Man, this is unreal. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is unreal. I got 119.7. No!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Also honking a bike horn.
Classic bike horn.
Can I get you? So I won.
Yeah.
I just honked louder. That's all that happened there.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Good game. Good GG. Let's go to the winner's circle.
What's up? For today's winner's circle, I'm going to show you a video of myself and my friend Colin launching my canoe like a toboggan into the river. Let's go.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you head on over to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos. Hit like, hit subscribe so you never miss a video, and we'll see you all later. Bye!